Hello, viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are watching me today, my name is Dr. Aviz Abolade, the son of Aramide. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure you share this program, drop your comments, and like it. God bless you. In today's program, I want to share how to treat asthma. If you have asthma or you know someone that has it around you, try these tips. Do you know that you can use agama lizard to treat asthma cough? You don't know? I will teach you how to use agama lizard to treat asthma cough. Please, I want you to share this program. Let others benefit from this content. That is what I want. Don't just watch this program and leave. Kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you are interested in our products, we have all kinds of apps such as Aladi Herbal Flusher, Diabetes app, syphilis, pile, weak erection, little rash, sperm leakage, cancer, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you receive your package. If you want to call me, you can call me on this number. It's 080-3933-6675 or 080-5313-3142. If you don't understand, you are free to call me. How to prepare it? Go and look for agama lizard, the intestine. We cut the edge and remove the skin of that agama lizard. Cut the head and the skin and remove the intestine. Remove the intestine. Cut it into pieces. Then look for missing leaf. Grab ice leaf. Yoruba call it missing. Grab ice leaf. Pound this leaf. Get enough. Grab ice leaf. Pound it very well with ire. Cut the agama lizard head and remove the skin of that lizard. Remove it. Just remove the skin of that lizard and the intestine. Just remove it. We don't need it. Cut it into pieces. Use this thing to cook this lizard. Don't joke with it. Believe me, this work is powerful work. I do this thing for someone. The asthma cough, it has gone. I do this thing for someone, this concoction. Cook it very well. Add palm oil and salt. Cook it very well. Let the person eat this thing. The person that have asthma cough, let that person eat this concoction. This work, believe me, is powerful work. You will cut the agama lizard, remove the skin, remove the intestine, then cook it. Let the person eat it. Cut the leg, the hand, cut it. Then cook it. It's small, but it's mighty. Believe me, if you do this thing, you will thank God. That is it. It's small, but it's mighty. For more video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. My name is Dr. Aviz Abolade, the son of Aramide.